now.
This is my car. This is my car. What are you doing?
Okay, well, I mean, like, we can discuss
can I get in my car? I don't know why you're pushing me away from my car. This is not your boyfriend's car. You'll give me your number?
Yeah, yeah.
All right, well, this is not your boyfriend's car.
Yeah, well, you're my future boyfriend, so, like, you know, I just knew.
Okay, well, this is my car. So, let me get something from the back here. How am I your future boyfriend now? You were just like, you were just being to me and stuff.
I was
so
saying, like, this is your car.
all right, let's
my future boyfriend, you know.
All right, well, I'm gonna get going though, since
But like,
you
we can discuss. I'll give you my number. We can go to McDonald's.
You're saying I can get your number now?
Yeah, yeah.
You want to go?
You're ugly. I don't find anything attractive about you.
Well, I mean, all right. Well, it was nice meeting you though. So
Wait, is this your car?
Yeah. Why?
Are you gonna take me for a ride or what?
Oh, I like your bag, by the way.
Thank you.
Yeah. Wait, hold on.
Take me for a ride?
I'm gonna get in the car though. So I'll see you later.
No, can you take me for a ride first?
Can I take you for a ride?
Shopping.
Hold up. You want? Wait. Hold on. I don't want to bother you. You said you were busy, so like.
I have time. I have time.
You have time now?
I have like an hour. We can do something.
Okay. Let me get this right. Okay. I'm a little confused here. So you want to go with me now after you just like called me ugly?
Yeah.
So you're down to go right now?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, I'm down to take you
I
because.
drive?
You want to drive my car?
Yeah, I want to drive.
Okay. You can't drive. Maybe later.
Maybe later.
Yeah, but you could be the
what's your
passenger.
Instagram?
My Instagram?
Yeah.
I'll give you my Instagram. Actually, hold up. So before I take you though, actually no, we could go. Let's go.
Are you sure?
Yeah. You want to hop in?
Yeah.
You could be the passenger princess.
Okay.
You look good. I'm trying to take you out.
Yeah. No.
No?
It's just not gonna work.
Whoa, why not?
Just please.
Whoa.
No.
Whoa, why are you doing that?
Please get
I'm trying to
away.
get your number. Let me get your number, yeah?
No.
I'm trying to take you out on a date.
I can't.
Why can't you?
I'm sorry. I just can't.
You don't like the outfit?
Get away.
Yo, why are you wetting me with water?
Because you're getting in my personal
Okay,
space.
look, let's get guys, all right, this is my new girlfriend here.
No.
What?
I can't be seen.
Guys, this is my new girlfriend.
don't take pictures of my car.
I'm gonna show my friend how pretty you are.
No. Why are you taking my car
All right,
in
well,
it? I don't want my car in it.
You don't want your car? Oh, this is your car?
This is my car.
Oh, no way. All right, well, you want to go to McDonald's? You can take me to McDonald's?
No, please.
How come?
Please,
Let's
no.
go. Let's
No.
go. You don't want to go to McDonald's?
look at you.
Look, I'm gonna get on my knees for you right now. Let's go.
Look at
Come
your
on, let's
socks.
go.
Look, your outfit all black. What is that?
You don't want to go with
What
me?
is that? Where's the necklace? That's
The necklace?
Skimpy ass chain.
How?
Where's the chain?
It was like $10.
Come on, let's get some ice on
Okay.
you, some new shoes, new socks.
All right. Look, I'm just trying to take you out, so like I don't know why you gotta be mean like that, okay?
But-
Let's go out right now.
Do you see what I have?
Okay,
What
yeah,
do
you got.
have? What do you have?
I mean, I have. Whoa! Why'd you do that? Come on, don't be like that. I'm just trying to go on a date with you.
But it's not.
Let me just get your number.
No.
Can I have a hug?
No.
Can I have a kiss?
Nope.
Why not?
Do you see me?
Okay, well,
Do
like
you see?
I
Do your
I
eyes
do.
work?
Yes, they do work.
Okay,
but like,
obviously you're
let me
not
just take
seeing,
you out.
right?
You're pretty. Honestly, like, if you don't want to go anywhere, we could cuddle right now, like on the floor, like
On the floor?
Yeah, like next to
You
your
think
car.
I'm worth the floor?
Well, like, you don't want to go anywhere else with me, so like, I'm trying to cuddle with you right now. Let's
No,
let's go
no.
out.
It's
No?
the floor.
So it's just like that?
The ground.
Okay.
I do. Why
All
don't
right.
you please get away from my car?
This is my car. I don't know why you said it was your car. It's my car. I'll see you later.